Welcome to the Digital Bunny. Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your secrets from literally anyone. Your parents, siblings, BF, GF, and even from your own computer. Yeah, even the FBI won't find it. So if you don't want to get caught and deleted from existence, watch this video till the end. And hey, if you don't subscribe now, you'll subscribe one day because you are already in the digital realm. Let's go. So the first step is going to be go to the folder or the file. It can be an image, video, or any secret document. Then go to that directory. Now, for example, I'll just create a document here on the desktop. Name it whatever you want, but make sure to remember the name. Afterwards, we are going to unhide the folder using that name. So make sure to remember the name, and you can name it whatever you want. I will just name it subscribe. Then after that, go to the folders directory and copy the path here. Copy it. Then go to the search bar, type cmd, open it. Then now write this command: attrib space plus h space plus s space, then open a quote, then just right click on the CMD, it will automatically paste it. Then after that, close the quote. Now here is the magic. Look at the folder. When I click enter, it will go. Boom. The folder is now gone. Anybody, anyone can and will never find the folder. Let's make sure on the desktop, as you can see, there is no subscribe folder in this desktop. So, boom, now you are safe. Okay, now you might ask, Bunny, how do I get it back? Don't worry, I got you. To unhide it, you must know the exact folder name and where it was before. So since my folder was on this desktop, so I'm going to go to that path. Go to C drive, users, then the username, then the desktop. So this were the paths where the folder created before. So copy this path, then go to cmd, then just change the plus sign to the negative sign. Attrib minus h minus s space open quote, then right click on the cmd. Now backslash, then you have to write the correct name of the folder you hid before. So mine was subscribe, so subscribe, then close the quote. Now here is the magic again. Hit enter. Oh, I forgot C. Subscribe. See, if you forget the name, you will never unhide it. That's why I told you to remember the name. Even one spelling wrong will never work. So enter. Now your folder is back. So if this saved your digital life, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I kept my promise. So Please keep your promise too. Drop your question or video ideas in the comment. I read them all. And hey, if you want to hide more from the world, you are already in the right place. Digital Bunny signing out. See ya.